Cat spraying no more. A solution to stop cat spraying for good. Are you a cat owner who wouldn't fathom living without your feline friend but has become frustrated with its recent spraying issues? Are you at your wits' end trying to figure out how to find a solution? Look no further. Cat spraying no more is a system with all you need to understand why your cat is doing what it's doing and how to bring a peaceful solution that will not only fix the problem but bring you closer to your cat. Spraying or peeing around the house is a big no-no for obvious reasons, and sometimes cats that regularly use their litter box turn to other areas of the house to urinate or spray. As a result, owners tend to focus on the issue of the mistargeted urination rather than on why the behavior is occurring. The key element to cat spraying no more. The Cat Spraying No More system carefully outlines various scenarios of unwanted spraying and targets possible causes in an easy-to-understand and well-laid format. The system eases the reader into the topic and playfully chides the owners about the author's own unfortunate experiences, how the author was able to overcome them, and how you can, too. The author's encouraging voice helps cat owners understand their cats better. There are underlying reasons cats do what they do, and when things are not quite right, they react. This system helps cat owners understand their cats better by discussing why cats urinate outside their litter box. It then outlines a system for owners to follow, based on their specific situation, so results are targeted and more effective. Depending on each scenario, there are detailed step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. The author guides cat owners with reassurance and support. Some of the major plus points behind Cat Spraying No More are: you are saving money and time. No more carpet cleaning, upholstery shampooing and time wasted finding these incidents and attending to them. Tricks you can use to get your cat to like its litter box again. This system helps you direct your cat back to using the litter box on its own without force. A home free of stress and smell. Once you see how easy it is to get your cat back on track with this system, your home will be cleaner, you'll be less stressed, and everyone will be happier. Trust me. Helpful hints to effectively clean up the misfires. The system provides detailed instructions on clever concoctions that will effectively and permanently clean accident areas, so you never know they existed. 4 bonus guides to boost your knowledge of caring for your cat. Cat Training Bible. 101 Recipes for a Healthy Cat. The Cat Care Blueprint. Pet Medical Recorder Software. It is an affordable and easy system to follow. Nothing in this system is overly expensive or difficult to execute. It also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. On the negative side, the following are points to consider before purchasing this system. This system is not a perfect solution for 100% of cases of bad cat behaviors. While the system is effective in 95% of the cases, there are instances in which the system does not work. Results may differ. As long as the system is used as instructed, results are generally achieved very fast. However, if the system needs to be followed properly, little to no results are experienced. There is no risk in trying out this product. With a no questions asked money-back guarantee, if things don't work out as you expected, you get what you paid back. Without risking anything, you will give yourself and your cat a chance to fix what's wrong and grow a little closer in the process. It's a deal worth every penny. Check the description to shop Cat Spraying No More from the official website.